To record cassettes, begin by opening the tape deck and inserting your cassette. If the tape begins playing, press stop. On the Digital Legacy Lab PC, open Audacity. Under Audio Setup, confirm that recording device is set to the cassette tape, and that playback device is set to whichever device you are using to listen. Then press the record button. Now press play on the tape deck. Your cassette will begin recording in the software. When the cassette is done, press stop on the cassette deck, then press stop in Audacity. You can trim the beginning and end of your audio by clicking and dragging on the audio wave, then selecting the trim option in Audacity. You can also trim the end by clicking and dragging on the end of the track itself to the end of your audio wave. To save your audio, select File, then Export Audio. Here, you can name your file, choose your file format, where you would like to save your file, and trim the blank space at the beginning of your audio. You can also edit your metadata, such as track title, artist, and album. When you are ready, select Export. If you did not change where the file is stored, you will need to move the file to your USB device. First, select File Explorer, then Documents. Double-click on the Audacity folder. Move your file to your USB device by clicking and dragging on the file. When you are done, eject your USB device. Before you leave, don't forget to rewind your tape and eject it from the tape deck.